This video is going to show you how to move your taskbar. A lot of people find that their taskbar somehow gets to the right or left side of the screen or even the top, as well as change some other things. A lot of people will find that their taskbar will disappear when they don't have their mouse over it, and that can be very frustrating. So to get started here, we're going to have you right click on the taskbar itself, and you'll see that option that says lock the taskbar. If this is checked, you won't be able to resize the taskbar. If you see right now, I've got my mouse right at the edge of the taskbar and nothing happens. If I go ahead and uncheck that lock the taskbar option, now I can bring my mouse to the edge and I have the option to resize it. And that itself can be very annoying if you don't want to do that. So I strongly suggest that you check that option. Now the next thing we'll take a look at, again, if you right click on the taskbar and then select properties, you'll see the taskbar properties menu show up. There's a whole bunch of nice options here. The first one that I'll point out is taskbar location on screen. By default it's going to say bottom, but you can select left, right, top, or put it back to bottom if that's not what's currently selected. That will, if you've moved your taskbar to one of those other sides, that will let you put it back to where it started. The next option to point out is the auto hide the taskbar. If you have that selected, when your mouse is not over the taskbar, it's going to disappear, so that you have to mouse back over where it would be in order for it to show up again. Personally, I find that very annoying. Some people prefer the small icons. They don't like these bigger icons that start showing up in Windows 7. That's really personal preference. I don't really have a recommendation one way or another. And then there's another option here that says taskbar buttons. You can have it always combine to hide the labels, never combine, combine when the taskbar is full. What that's going to do is, if you notice down here, I'll mouse over this, I've got two windows up. Now these aren't particularly exciting windows, but it sort of shows what looks like one card stacked on top of another, and that means that there are two similar windows open. So if you don't want it to look like that and you want the old style where if you've got three folders open, it's going to show you three different icons for three folders at the bottom, then what you do is you'd select the never combine or combine when the taskbar is full, and that will let you change that. Alright, well that should do it for this video.